Devintelle's warranty management system. Easily manage and track product warranties with our Odoo warranty management app. Automatically generate warranties when products are sold. Supports both free and paid warranties for your products. Customers can easily raise warranty claim through an online portal. Seamlessly manage warranty renewals when applicable. Automatically create invoices for paid warranties. Track all warranties directly from a dedicated tracking menu. Manage repair and replacement with repair order and technician task. Send automatic emails when a warranty is about to expire. Collect customer feedback and display it on the warranty screen. Generate PDF reports for warranties, histories and analysis. Ready to transform your warranty manage? Contact us today at 87805 43446 or email at odoo@devintelle.com.